As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Spirit 2E310. Both propane, but they seem pretty different.
Yeah, definitely. The Q1000, it's that little portable one, right?
Exactly. It's got 189 square inches of cooking space, perfect for tailgating or a small patio.
And only one burner putting out 8,500 BTUs. It's compact, that's for sure.
Right, but the Spirit 2E310 is a beast compared to that. It's got a whopping 529 square inches.
3 burners blasting out 30,000 BTUs. Way more power and space for a family cookout.
Okay, so size and power are a big difference. What about the materials?
The Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body, which is pretty durable for its size.
The Spirit 2E310 also has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, but it seems like it's built with more heavy-duty materials overall, given its weight of 109 pounds, compared to the Q1000's 27.5 pounds.
Definitely a more substantial build. It also has the GS4 grilling system.
What's that?
It's Weber's ignition, burner, and grease management system, designed for better performance and easier cleanup. The Q1000 just has a push-button ignition and a removable catch pan.
Ah, okay. So the Spirit 2E310 is more feature-rich. What about portability?
Well, the Q1000 is designed to be portable. It runs on those little propane cylinders.
Right, and the Spirit 2E310 needs a full-size propane tank, and it's got wheels, but it's not exactly something you'd throw in your trunk for a camping trip.
Nope. The Spirit 2E310 also has an open cart design and tool hooks, which is nice for storage and keeping things handy.
The Q1000 is simpler. It's basically just the grill itself.
Yeah, it depends on what you need. A quick, portable grill? Or a full-sized grilling machine?
Makes sense. I guess it depends on whether I'm grilling for 2 or 10. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.